Dear students, good morning to one and all. In this class, we will discuss what is the cylinder is. In the previous classes, we have already discussed what is the plane, the line, the sphere and the cone. Now, cylinder, it is the surface generated by a straight line and passing through the fixed line, and it may intersect a given curve or touch the given surface. If you observe this one, the moving line in any position, it is called the generator, and the curve, it is called as the base curve or guiding curve. There are different types of cylinders like elliptic cylinder, hyperbolic cylinder and parabolic cylinder. In this class, we will do few problems on cylinders. Out of these, first problem is the equation of the cylinder whose generators are parallel to the line. You know very well what is the generator. Generator means the moving line in any position of the cylinder. So in this problem they have given the generators which are parallel to the line and the base curve. You know the curve is called as the fixed curve is called as the base curve or guiding curve, and the curve is f of xy is equal to 0 comma z is equal to 0. Now you have to show that the equation of the cylinder whose generators are parallel to the given line and the base curve they have given, you have to show that the equation of the cylinder is f of x minus lz by n comma y minus mz by n is equal to 0. To prove this problem, first of all take what is the given line. So in the problem they have given the line x by l is equal to y by m is equal to z by n. Now call it as equation number 1. And what is the base curve they have given? The base curve is f of xy is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Now call that base curve as equation number 2. Now in the generator, take any point, that is p x1 y1 z1 be any point on the generator. Now you know very well, if two lines are parallel, their DRs are proportional. Now you have to find the equation of the generator passing through the point x1 y1 z1 and parallel to the line x by l is equal to y by m is equal to z by n is x minus x1 by l is equal to y minus y1 by m is equal to z minus z1 by n. Now in this equation we have to substitute the given guiding curve. What is the guiding curve? They have given f of xy is equal to 0 comma z is equal to 0. Now first of all we will substitute z is equal to 0 in this generator. Then what happens? If you put z is equal to 0, if you put z is equal to 0, x minus x1 by l is equal to y minus y1 by m is equal to, so actually what is the generator? Z minus z1 by n. Instead of z, we are substituting z is equal to 0. Then you will get minus z1 by n. Now, so out of this equation, take first and third expressions, that they are x minus x1 by l is equal to minus z1 by n. So x minus x1, if you cross multiply, x minus x1 is equal to minus lz1 by n. Then x is equal to, here minus x1 it will become plus x1 if you go to the right side. That is x is equal to x1 minus lz1 by n. Similarly, take second and third expressions. They are y minus y1 by m is equal to minus z1 by n. From this we can write similarly y is equal to y1 minus mz1 by n. Now we got x comma y. What is the guiding curve they have given? F of xy is equal to 0 comma z is equal to 0. Out of that z is equal to 0 is already substituted, right? Now we have to substitute these x and y values in f of x comma y is equal to 0. If you take f of x comma y is equal to 0, in place of x you have to write x1 minus lz1 by n, and instead of y you have to write y1 minus mz1 by n is equal to 0. Now the locus will become f of x minus lz by n comma y minus mz by n is equal to 0. So this is the first problem, right? Similarly, we have another problem. See, Find the equation of the cylinder whose generators are parallel to the line. In the previous problem, the line was x by L is equal to y by m is equal to z by n. In this problem, they have given the line as x by 1 is equal to y by 2 is equal to z by 3. And which passes through the curve. That means they have given the guiding curve or base curve. X square plus y square is equal to 16, comma, z is equal to 0. Whereas in the previous problem, they have given general form, that is f of x comma y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Same procedure we have to follow. What is the first one? We have to write the given line. After that, write down the given curve. Okay, before writing the given curve, first of all, we will see what are the DRs of this line. In the previous problem, the DRs were L, M, N. Here, the DRs are 1, 2, 3. So, you have to write down the DRs of the line 1, 2, 3. Next, let P, X1, Y1, Z1 be any point on the cylinder. Then the equation of the generator B. So, generator equation you know very well. So, if it passes through x1, y1, z1, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 by, since this is parallel to the given line, the DRs must be proportional. That means 1, 2, 3. Now, take x minus x1 by 1 is equal to y minus y1 by 2 is equal to z minus z1 by 3 and let that is equals to r. So, after that, any point, you know very well how to find the any point on the line. So, to find any point on line, just you have to equate each fraction equals to 0. That is, first of all, x minus x1 by 1 is equal to r. What happens? If you cross multiply, you will get r plus x1. Similarly, y minus y1 by 2 is equal to r. What happens? Y is equal to 2 into r, 2r plus y1. Similarly, z minus z1 by 3 is equal to r. What happens? Z is equal to 3r. Cross multiply and minus z1 it will become plus z1. That means any point on the line xyz if you take, you will get r plus x1, 2r plus y1, 3r plus z1. This is nothing but equals to x1 plus r, y1 plus 2r, z1 plus 3r. So, after writing this one, next take the given curve. What is the given curve? Yeah. The curve is x square plus y square is equal to 16, comma, z is equal to 0 is the given curve. Now, we need to substitute the values of x, y, z in this curve. What is the value? What is x here? Just now we have substituted any point on the line x is equal to x1 plus r. Similarly, y is equal to y1 plus r. If you substitute, what happens here? x1 plus r whole square plus y1 plus r whole square is equal to 16, comma, z. What is z actually? Sorry, here y1 plus 2r. It should be 2r whole square is equal to 16, comma, z is equal to 0. What is z here? 3r plus z1 is equal to 0. Now, first, if you take 3r plus z1 is equal to 0, then 3r is equal to minus z1 and r is equal to minus z1 by 3. Now, substitute x1. Instead of r, you have to write minus z1 by 3, right? And instead of y, you have to write r y1 minus z1 by 3 whole square is equal to 16. Now, you have to expand this one. If you expand this one, you will get the equation like this. Now, to write the locus, instead of x1, y1, z1, that indicates at the particular point. Now, the locus will be 9x square plus 9y square plus 5z square minus 6zx minus 12yz minus 144 is equal to 0. So, in this way, we can find the equation of the cylinder. So, let us have a look at once again. The problem is finding the equation of the cylinder. Generators are parallel to the given line and which passes through the curve. So, for this, first of all, take the given line. And what are the DRs of this line? 1, 2, 3. Now, take any point Px1, y1, z1. Then, equation of the generator will be passing through the point x1, y1, z1 means x minus x1 by 1 is equal to y minus y1 by 2 is equal to z minus z1 by 3. So, after taking this one, take any point on the line. any point on the line will be x, y, z is equal to, just you have to cross multiply each fraction is equals to r. X minus x1 by 1 is equal to r, y minus y1 by 2 is equal to r, z minus z1 by 3 is equal to r. You will get the point like this. After writing the point, next thing is you have to substitute these x, y, z values in the given curve. What is the curve here? X square plus y square is equal to 16. So here small typo error, instead of y you have to write 2r, y1 plus 2r, right? So y1 plus 2r whole square, here also there should be 2 z1 by 3, right? So if you simplify this one, you will get the answer like this. Therefore the locus of the cylinder will be this one. Now same model, one more problem is there, you can practice yourself. The problem is find the equation of the cylinder whose generators are parallel to the line x by 1 is equal to minus y by 2 is equal to z by 3, and whose base curve is x square plus 2y square is equal to 1 comma z is equal to 3. So I hope you can practice this model. In the next class we will discuss what is a right circular cylinder and what is the equation of the right circular cylinder and the problems related to that. The equation of right circular cylinder and the problems related to that are very important for your main examination. Thank you for watching.